Here is another meal I like to make when I don't really want to have to think. And here are the ingredients. I have chicken sausage with kale in it, 2 jars of spaghetti sauce because I'm making enough for the family to have it for a week. Got your salt, got your Italian seasoning, your black pepper. This is garlic powder. It says salt, but it's garlic powder. Spinach, 2 bags, 2 carrots, peeled and shredded, some mozzarella, and a little Parmesan. Boil the manicotti noodles until they're soft. This frozen spinach into a large skillet that has been heated with a little bit of olive oil inside of it. Preheat your oven. Carrots to the spinach. Feed your carrot peels to your dog. Open herbs. Now we cook the sausage. I'm going to squeeze the inside out of the casing and throw the casings away because I don't appreciate the casing, and cook the insides in the skillet until they're done. I'm not really gonna film that because they're sausages. Manicotti are totally stuffed, and we're gonna pour the sauce over it. Spread the sauce around, and we're gonna put cheese on top a little bit because we're trying to make it light and healthy. In foil and bake for 35 to 40 minutes.